सत्य में जयते, हमेशा की तरह सत्य की विजय होती है, मानते हैं आप?
मैं इसको मानता ही नहीं हूँ, इसकी पूजा करता हूँ, क्योंकि हमारे जीवन में जितनी खाली और जितनी ही विषमताएं हैं, जितनी नेगेटिविटी आज हमारे जीवन में है, समाज में है, मेरा यह मानना है कि हम सब जानते हैं कि सत्य कहीं ना कहीं है, जरूर रोशनी है उस टनल के उस पार, और उसी सहारे उसी भरोसे हम बढ़ते रहते हैं, जीते रहते हैं और प्रयास करते रहते हैं। तो वो तो है, उसमें कोई शक की बात नहीं है कि सत्य है और सत्य की विजय होगी, ऐसा हमें विश्वास है।
We must congratulate you for this. Do you think this is a big win for you all?
Yes, it's a very, very big win, and I feel very vindicated and very validated, because I think the exact reason why we were opposing the CBFC decision, because we really did feel that they did not understand the film, or they chose to not understand it. I think the FCAT has completely sort of called the CBFC out on its decision and ruled in our favor. And I feel it's not just a win for me, I feel it's a win for all the women of India who I felt like I was fighting not just for lipstick on my burqa and for myself, but I really felt that it was such an important thing that women's voices should not and cannot be silenced, and women's stories need to be told. And I'm very, very happy, and I really feel that we got so much support from so many women across the country, and so many men, of course, but that I think it's a win for everybody, and it's a win for women and for the freedom of expression.
Well, frankly speaking, it is common sense. When I first read the CBFC decision, their wordings and the way they had seen the film, I really laughed. In fact, the last time also when we were talking, I mean, I felt, in Hindi there is a word called hasyaspad. It is ridiculous. Like, how can you interpret a story like this? We all know that in our society, and not in only our society, I think in every society, we have now taken it for granted that women will have to kind of like look, behave, think, dream in a particular way which is entirely male thought oriented, male oriented, simple. They will be part of our life, but just as we want them to be. That women cannot think, cannot aspire, cannot think about their career, cannot dream, cannot talk about their sexuality, their satisfaction. That has been kind of like, a well understood norm. Here was this story, such a lovely little story where 4 women in a very normal conversation, very funny kind of anecdote, were talking about their dreams, were talking about their feelings, about their bodies, about their sexualities, about their career, about their aspirations. And what happens? Like a male gazing, mind oriented CBFC gets scared about it. How can women talk about themselves? How can they think? So I was very, very confident that if we present it properly, and if there is a set of people who look at it from a very rational point of view, and that's exactly what, I mean, if you read this FCAT kind of like order, it talks about the relevance and importance of the film. And nothing from the film has been, asked to be deleted except some 10 seconds here or a 10 seconds there and a word or two over here. That also, I think, because, they have the system and the power of kind of like, asking you to delete a particular thing. Otherwise, I think it's a completely reverse decision of CBFC observation, and you know, and one is happy about it, and one is confident that you can talk, you can speak, and you can make such films. And the best part of it is that for the reason that Alankrita made this film, that is already being discussed so widely.
So how does FCAT's intervention reflect on CBFC's agency?
Well, I wish I had any kind of authority or mastership on that particular thing. I don't know if it will reflect somewhere. In our film, it definitely has reflected. They are already on the defensive.
So there are two questions I have. First, the number of deletions, and I also read somewhere that some curse words are muted. So does that change the storyline of the film?
Well, if muting two cuss words changes the story of the film, what is the point in making a film?
And
One can just have two cuss words and release them. Na?
so none of the scenes have.
No, I don't think there is no change. But I must say, and you please tell them whether I gave you the liberty of taking a call on this or not.
Yeah. So, of course, I feel in an ideal scenario, one would want that a film gets certified without any kind of cuts or any sort of, being asked to mute any kind of word. But this is India, and I think we are facing a situation where we were refused certification altogether. And I must say that I found the attitude of the FCAT, I felt that they were very open, and they completely understood the purpose of the film, the intent of the film. They identified with the characters. So I never felt that they were not getting the film. And so then when they have asked us to sort of trim down a few scenes where basically we're just cutting out some seconds of some intimacy. Of course, as a filmmaker, I believe that one should never have to go through this process, and there should be just a system of certification, and this entire drama is actually pretty pointless. But considering the context, and so me and my editor, Charushi Roy, we sort of worked to figure out whether if we trim those few scenes, is it going to affect the film. And I do believe that if I had felt that it was really adversely affecting the film, I would not have accepted the decision. But I feel that it was okay. And of course, in an ideal scenario, one would not have wanted it. But I think it's okay. They've not asked us to remove any scene, and there are only 2 cuss words that they've asked us to sort of mute. But you can actually see them when they mouth the words, so it's fine. And yeah, so I feel overall, I felt that at least with the FCAT, we were dealing with a body that was completely on the same page as us.
Yeah,
They
there was some
understood-
communication,
I mean, it
good
was like a
communication.
dialogue. They were interested in what we had to say. They sat across the table and spoke to us, which is entirely different from how the situation is at CBFC. So, and of course, nobody really wants to go to court and all of that if it's not required. And I really did feel that just muting of 2 cuss words and removing 10 seconds of making out is not reason enough for me to go to court. If I'd felt that it's really like something that I can't bear, we would have taken the decision to go to court. So I must say that I'm very happy, because I feel the soul of the film is the same, the texture is the same, all the sex scenes are in the film, and I am now waiting for people to finally watch the film. It's been quite a journey. I feel like I've been pregnant with a child, and like the head is bobbing out, and nothing else of the body has sort of come out, and I'm just kind of carrying around this baby, and it's not emerging. So I think it's time for my labor pains to end.
निवेदन है, थोड़ा हिंदी में भी रख लें आप। सो संतुष्ट हैं आप ए सर्टिफिकेट और जो उनकी तरफ से सजेशन किया गया?
हमने यही मांगा था, हमने शुरू से ये मांगा था। हमें पता है कि मतलब क्योंकि जिस तरह की थीम थी और जिस तरह की बात की गई थी, वो एडल्ट्स को ही देखनी चाहिए। और जो FCAT ने, CBFC ने तो हमें साफ मना कर दिया था कि हम देंगे ही नहीं सर्टिफिकेट, आपको कंसिडर ही नहीं करेंगे, कोई बात ही नहीं की उन्होंने। जब अलंकृता ने उनसे कुछ मुंह खोला कि कौन से कट एंड कट्स नहीं, हम देंगे ही नहीं सर्टिफिकेट आपको, तो ये कमाल की स्थिति थी। उसके बाद उन्होंने जो लिखा था, तो उसके मतलब बराबरी में देखें तो एफकैट ने हमारी बात सुनी, फिल्म को देखा, अप्रिशिएट किया और इवेंचुअली हमें थोड़ा सा कुछ सीन्स के कुछ सेकंड्स काटने को और एक दो वर्ड्स, वो निर्णय मैंने अलंकृता के ऊपर छोड़ा था कि आप देख करके बताओ अगर आपको आपकी फिल्म में कोई जाति कोई बदलाव तो नहीं आ रहा, कोई फर्क तो नहीं पड़ रहा। वो उन्होंने देखा और कल ही डिसीजन आया था, कल ही रात को इन्होंने कुछ 2:53 के ऊपर में मुझे एक मैसेज भेजा जो मैंने सुबह देखा कि नहीं मैं कट्स कर सकती हूँ और आई एम ओके विथ इट। तो हमने निर्णय लिया कि भाई अब हम लोगों को बता दें कि हमें मान्य है एफकैट का निर्णय और हम अप्रिशिएट करते हैं इस चीज़ को।
अगर मान लो अगर आप संतुष्ट नहीं होती तो क्या फिर इसके ऊपर और भी लड़ते आप? अगर
बिल्कुल लड़ते। अगर ये संतुष्ट नहीं होती और मुझे कहती तुम बताओ हमने कहा था कि नहीं कल तुमको कि निर्णय तुम्हारा होगा, तुम संतुष्ट नहीं होगी तो मैं तुम्हारे लिए लड़ूंगा। मैं
योद्धा हैं आप तो सर।
क्यों, इसमें योद्धा की क्या बात है? अपनी बात है, अपनी सच्चाई है और उसको पाने के लिए जहाँ तक जाना है वहाँ तक तो कोई पहली बार थोड़ी एफकैट में ये चौथी बार गया हूँ मैं।
But sir, it is not unfair and sad because अभी भी directors को they are not getting the freedom to show their strong, I will not say bold film, but the strong subject like you have made Rajinikanth Maruka. So it's not unfair कि still your directors are not getting
किसको
the freedom
किसको
to show.
किसको सच बात कहने की फ्रीडम है? आपको है? आपको है? आपको है? हम सब उस सच को बोलते हैं जो दूसरों को ऑफेंड ना करे।